Ready to future-proof your tech? Wolfspeeds' new chip plant is about to shake things up. Wolfspeed is ramping up the US chip-making game with a massive $750 million investment in a new silicon carbide wafer plant in North Carolina. This isn't just about chips, it's about future-proofing America's tech infrastructure. This new plant means more high-tech jobs and a boost to American manufacturing. And with silicon carbide chips being more efficient, it's a win for EVs, renewable energy, AI, and cloud computing. But here's the kicker. The scramble for IT resources is about to get real. As US firms dive into these new opportunities, the demand for hybrid cloud solutions will skyrocket. Don't get left behind. khtechnologies' hybrid cloud-in-a-box solution is your ticket to staying ahead. It's an all-in-one package that sets up your IT infrastructure swiftly and securely. Avoid the waiting lists and delays. Get your infrastructure in place now before the rush hits. Contact khtechnologies today and ensure your company is ready for the future. khtechnologies is a leader in cloud computing, offering everything from new installations to seamless migrations and robust hybrid solutions. Visit khtechnologies.com and connect with a hybrid cloud specialist within 24 hours. Future-proof your business with khtechnologies today.